Hi kiddos, we are immensely happy to meet you all and welcome to our channel Be Smarter. Hope you all are fine, but are you feeling bored at home? No worries, let's have fun with painting by using some household items for the painting techniques. Let's first start with our fingerprints to make some beautiful birds. Here we go. We have prepared the base just with 2 strings and just you can dip your finger to the paint. I have taken metallic paint. We can press it to the paper so that we will have a thumb impression. Now you can change your finger for the different size. I'm going to use the color pink. So we will have multicolor birds. In the same manner, we can mix with acrylic color. Here I have used metallic watercolors. We can have with the small little baby finger for the smallest birds. Now take the black marker to draw the beaks and the eyes. In the same way, we can draw for each bird the legs, even the tails. But it has to be dried to draw in the middle. According to your creativity, you can draw your own. We can have some butterflies, honeybees, some other flowers. So let me show you this bird with the tail even. You can use even colorful sketches. Here I have used black. In the same way, we can make some more birds too. Let me show you. All the age group kids can try this. Here you can have a glance. Now let's get started with the next one with a toothbrush. What we are going to do with the toothbrush? Just the base, I am going to color it with metallic black as it will look glittering. If you are having plain black also, you can use it. If you would like to add the glitter effect, you can use the glitter colors. And then take a white color, make a circle to have moon. So we are going to have a night view with a dark sky and blazing stars and shining moon. Now take a toothbrush, mix the white color. Once the brush is having enough paint, you can take it with your thumb, just you can press it. So you will be having the sprinkling on the paper. This will look like a stars. In the same manner, we can have like a spray paint for even some other stencils too. So you can see here, it's done. As I done with the glitters, you can see it's glittering. Hope you enjoyed. Now let's get start with the scrub, the metal scrub everybody's having at home. I have done the base with the paint, 2 trees in 2 different shades, black and brown. Just you can draw even with the sketch and take the paints. Here I have taken 3 colors, red, pink and violet. Add some drops of water to it as it's acrylic color. It's very thick. We can dilute it, dip the scrub and just you can press it here and there roughly. With each color we are going to do 2 different blossoms for these trees. One tree with 3 colors, violet, red and pink. According to your wish, you can have some other color combinations too. Now, once like we can fill all over the tree, you can do some fallen flowers like fallen leaves, how it's falling on the air and on the floor. Just we can give very mild press. So we will have lighter. I hope you got this. It's very easy technique, but the end result will be awesome. Now you can take green, yellow, white and light green. So we can dilute white and light green together to have very pale light green. So you'll have difference on the dark green and light green. In the same way we can use the scrub and we can just make some leaves. On both colors we have used the scrub, same like the previous tree. For the fallen leaves, now take the earbud. For some flowers, you can use the earbud to have the flowers impression, but for this the paint has to be thicker. Yes, in the same manner we can do it. It's ready. You can have a glance. Now let's start with the paper dip. It's very easy. Once we have used the paint, the leftover it's there in the bowl, so we can make some pattern with the scrub. We will be having the lines. With that, take a plain paper, just we have to place it on it. Then the paper is able to observe that paint with the pattern. We can remove the paper and we can make in the another way like a checked. So horizontal pattern and then vertical pattern. We can use this for like decorating our house or projects. Whenever like we are lazy to color completely, we can use this technique to fill the paper with colors. Even we can prepare it and keep ready for our kids projects too. So it's ready now. Then we can take a marker and we can write it on it. Here I have used black for fun. If you have any pre-planned work, even you can write that and then dip it into the paint. But we didn't have any plan, so just I have used the paper directly and then writing on it. So writing on paint, you need some dark marker. So it's ready. You can have a glance. Now let's get started with the sponge scrub. Everybody is having at home. Take the scrub, same way dilute the color and just like you have to scrub this to the paper. You will be having the nice impression on the paper. This can be done with the green for meadow, grasses, bushes likewise. Fold it and make some stems. So you'll be having some dark patches on it. It will give good impression on the picture. And then take blue color for the sky, dilute with water nicely. Take the sponge scrub. You can mix it. It has to be watery. Just you can give the sky effect with one stretch. Even you can make it for the waves if you would like to do the sea. Now we have done it. With the buds, we can make the flowers. In the previous picture, we have done the leaves. Just we can make double color. You can use according to your wish. Let me show you all the flowers. We have done it. Now take the sketch. You can draw the stem and the leaves to it. We can draw different leaves and patterns for the stem. Once it's done, now for the cloud, we can dip the sponge to the white color. In the same manner, we can do it, but the color should be dark. Yes, it's ready. Now let's have a glance of our painting together. Hope you all enjoyed. Try these at your home too. We are excited to meet you in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like a video, kindly give a thumbs up. If it's useful to you, kindly share it with your friends too. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel to watch more videos and ring the bell icon. Till then, stay tuned with Be Smarter, stay stronger. Bye bye.